This is the Rack WisMesh Pocket Mini. I purchased this from Rokland. Normally they're $50 each. I got this one for $30 in a Black Friday deal. I think that's a pretty good deal because the hardware inside is about the same price if you buy the kit. So it comes with a USB A to C cable and this little guy, which is a 3D printed case around a Nordic Meshtastic node. So it's the Nordic NF something something something. So nice 3D print here. You can tell it's 3D printed if you're really looking for it, but it looks very solid, good layer lines, nice texture on both sides. There's 4 screws here. You can take it apart. There's a sensor slot. You can put sensors onto the little board there if you want to add some sensors. It has a cover over the USB port, and there's a little opening for the reset button in there. You'll need a pusher to push it in, but there's that basically plastic cover there, and hopefully I'll be able to get it back onto the USB port. Let's see. There we go. Has to plug inside, and it has an on off switch so that when you're not in use it's clearly off. You flip it to the on position, it'll start turning on. Hopefully, assuming the battery's in there. There we go. We got the green light right there. There's 2 other openings next to the green light. There's probably the red light and the blue light, perhaps. So size-wise, 2.3 inches, 2.2 inches by 0.94 inches. The handle sticks over the top a little bit. 2.8 total here. And this guy has internal Bluetooth and LoRa antennas, so it's not going to be the super highest range node. It's more of like a node you carry around with you to bridge out to the rest of the network. So other than the on-off switch, there's not much going on here. You just have to load the Meshtastic app and pair up with it. Now, as a normal user, you really should never have to disassemble this guy, but just to show you what's inside, there's a 1 amp hour battery there. You have your internal antennas, Bluetooth and LoRa, and the power switch on off here. And then you have your carrier board with the little daughter board, the stamp board on there. So it's basically what you would expect to be inside of a Meshtastic node like this. Now, if you wanted to add sensor boards to the back, you would have to unscrew these 3 screws, take that board off, and snap the sensors to the back. So you could add something like a temperature and humidity sensor, although there's no opening for air to get inside for that to be a super accurate sensing. All right, the one I have is Firmware 2.7.13. 2.7.15 is the latest, but it's pretty close to the latest firmware. The built-in firmware updater in the Meshtastic app on Android appears to be working just fine. It went into DFU mode, it's updating, it's moving stuff across, so it sure looks like it's working properly. Okay, update was successful and it's now running 2.7.15. Alright, I've been playing around with these guys for a couple of days, configured them, set everything up. If you've ever used any other of the Rack WisMesh products, it's basically the exact same electronics inside. It's just in a case with a battery and a switch. The chip antennas are reasonably good from a distance standpoint. Obviously, you could do better if you have a unit with an external, like a whip antenna, but they're perfectly good for carrying around and just using in local areas or getting out to a repeater node from inside your house, for example. And the price is nice because I'd be hard pressed to buy the components to make this for less than the price, let alone the 3D printing of the case and assembling everything. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this guy. Just the hardware inside, the kit plus an extra battery, plus a switch. That's probably going to cost you as much as this whole thing does. Plus they have nice little features like this rubber gasket thing that pops in there. I mean, the whole case is 3D printed, so it's not going to be watertight, but it gives you some splash resistance there. And you know, not having to 3D print it yourself and assemble it and solder everything together and make everything work. You know, I think at $50 this is a very nice deal. It was an exceptionally good deal on the Black Friday $30 deal, so I'm very happy with it there.